and it just goes into prompting it the right way. And actually, I have a list of prompts that I'm more than happy to share with a lot of you. If you're into wanting to do prompting, this is going to be, can you put that link in the chat? It has ever probably 200 or something prompts already done. All you have to do is just copy and paste. And it goes anywhere from copywriting frameworks to pitching to cold DMing to, I don't know, YouTube ad scripts to email marketing. All the things that I've been sort of doing, running this business, it's there. So if you're a life coach, if you want to be motivational, if you want to, I don't know, do social media better and you're out of prompts, a lot of the stuff you can get. And I have a link there